Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's presentation on the intriguing topic of Forex trading bots and their profitability. I'm thrilled to have you all here today as we delve into this burning question: are Forex trading bots profitable? Forex, as many of you know, is the foreign exchange market where currencies are bought and sold. Over the years, technological advancements have revolutionized trading, leading to the rise in popularity of trading bots. These bots are automated software programs that execute trades on your behalf using predetermined algorithms. Trading bots have the ability to analyze massive amounts of data, monitor market trends, and execute trades within milliseconds. It's quite impressive. But let's get down to the main question: can they make you money? The profitability of trading bots depends on various factors. Today, we'll explore the pros and cons to help us understand this topic better. On the positive side, trading bots offer numerous advantages. They can operate around the clock, giving you the opportunity to capitalize on global market opportunities, even while you sleep. These bots execute trades devoid of emotions, eliminating the potential for human error and bias. Additionally, they have the ability to analyze multiple currency pairs simultaneously, making swift decisions that might prove challenging for human traders. However, it's important to acknowledge the downsides as well. Trading bots heavily rely on the algorithms and strategies they're programmed with. If these algorithms are poorly designed or not regularly updated, bots may struggle to adapt to changing market conditions. Furthermore, unexpected events such as major economic announcements or geopolitical developments can trigger rapid market shifts that trading bots may find challenging to navigate effectively. So, are trading bots profitable? Well, it's not a straightforward answer. It largely depends on various factors, including the design and performance of the specific trading bot you're using. If you're considering using a trading bot, here are a few essential tips to keep in mind. First, research is key. Thoroughly investigate the bot's track record, user reviews, and reputation before investing your hard-earned money. Second, ensure you have robust risk management in place. Set clear risk parameters, such as stop-loss and take-profit levels, to protect your investment. Third, diversification is crucial. Instead of relying solely on one trading bot, consider diversifying your strategies to spread out your risk. Lastly, continuous monitoring is vital. Regularly review and assess the performance of your trading bot, making necessary adjustments if needed. It's important to remember that no trading bot can guarantee consistent profits. Trading always carries inherent risks, and it's essential to have a well-rounded understanding of the Forex market. In conclusion, Forex trading bots can indeed be profitable, but they come with their own set of risks and limitations. It's crucial to approach them with caution. Conduct thorough research, and always stay vigilant. Ultimately, no trading bot can replace the skills and knowledge of a seasoned trader. Stay informed, stay cautious, and may your trading endeavors be fruitful. Thank you all for joining me today. And I hope you found this presentation valuable. Wishing you all the best in your trading journey. Thank you so much for joining us on this exploration of supply and demand. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you enjoyed the content and found value in it, we kindly request your support. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with others who might benefit from it, leave a comment to let us know your thoughts, and most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos on various economic topics, ensuring you never miss out on valuable insights. Your support means the world to us, and it encourages us to continue creating high-quality content. Thank you once again. And we look forward to seeing you in our future videos.